Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Please
Sir.
take
Please
it.
be seated.
Thank you so much.
What's your good name?
So my name is Saurabh Sinha.
Saurabh Sinha. Okay.
Saurabh ji, where are you from?
Sir, I was born in Gaya in Bihar, but I was brought up in Delhi. So, yes, sir.
What's your father doing?
So my father is a government servant and currently is an under secretary at Jal Shakti.
Okay.
Belongs to Bihar cadre or Delhi?
No, sir, Delhi cadre. He is in Central Ministry.
Okay. So what is your qualification?
Sir, I have completed my graduation in engineering. So I have done my BTech in
Back from
from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University in Delhi.
Delhi. Okay.
And I have completed it in electrical and electronics field.
Which year?
I completed in 2017.
2017.
Yes.
So thereafter, what you were pursuing?
So these past 5 years have been very value creating for me, particularly because I was making a small earning by teaching at various coaching centers, and I was always passionate about theater. So after my graduation, I did a few professional plays. Then I also.
Which ones?
Sir, I performed in Dilli Chalo, in A Lunch in Paris. So many plays like I Namune, Harisankar Prasad ke Namune, and Gid by Vijay Tendulkar ji, and which one else? I assistant director. So I directed one play. It was called. It was based on Agatha Christie's play, which was. So we named it Aghat. So
What's the name of the original play?
what's the name of the
Original play of Agatha Christie.
it was Murder on the Orient Express.
Okay, good. Man, the why I'm asking, I've been a passionate theatre activist, so that is why. I'm sorry, sir.
And it's fine.
So
Like to have a cup of tea?
No, sir, thank you so much.
So, I mean, if that was your passion, and rightly so, it's good. You know, whatever you feel like good to you, you're saying, I feel good.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So why you are not pursuing that?
Sir, I pursued it because I didn't want to make a career out of it, but I just wanted to experiment with that genre, with that discipline.
why not make a career?
Sir, I belong to a very middle class family, and it's
So many people come from middle class and they make very big.
Yes, sir.
Because what I am telling you, it's just because I was a theatre activist in PNB. Also itself, I created my own group. And do you know that in Punjab National Bank, in the first three interzonal competitions, I won the best prize, and I have been regularly performing. That is long
Yes, sir,
time
I
ago.
understand.
But again, I feel that theater and all other art
Yes,
forms, they help you become a better individual and to relate better to the society. So that's
sir.
no need to shy from that. That is a plus point. That improves your communication skills.
I mean, your earnings were not up to the mark.
Yes, sir. And my earnings were not up to the mark. And also,
earnings from
so I was teaching at various coaching centers, and also I used to get paid very dismal amount from performing in professional
So
plays.
why it took so long for you to decide and to come out
Sir,
for
I've
the
been
bank service?
so I prepared for government exams, and but I was not able to clear the cutoff marks. But finally, when I committed to the task, and this year it was my first attempt for banking.
Okay.
So
So it is not you were not very passionate for coming into the bank, but it is just because you couldn't get through in other, so
Having
you
no
opted
other
for this.
options.
Is
No,
it so?
sir. After I started preparing for banking, I actually grew a lot of interest for economic affairs, for banking sector studies, and I realized that this is much more suitable for me than the government jobs. So that's why I've completely transitioned myself from government preparation to the banking preparation, and I actually started enjoying studying about all the economic affairs.
What do you understand by bank?
Sir, banks is an institution which deals with how money is circulated in the market. It helps in the financial. It helps in the financial inclusion of the market. It connects people who want money for their enterprises and bank and for their small businesses and other businesses to those who have the capital and can so it is a bridge between people who want to have their own business but they don't have the adequate capital and with those who actually have the capital.
But this is now, this has gone background a little bit, and many other activities have come up.
Yes, sir.
What are those activities?
So, sir, banks have like a new term has emerged, which is called bancassurance. So, banks have also started giving tying up with insurance companies and giving insurance policies to its customers. And banks have also started dealing in capital market and money market, and it does not only bridges those lenders with debtors, but it also helps you to increase the GDP of the country by dealing in money market and capital market and facilitating the other sectors also, like it finances other institutions which like SSG, self-help groups and many other types of groups.
How would you fill the gap? Because your area of operation and the study and the your grooming has been in some other area, and the banking is altogether different. So how you would fill the gap,
Sir,
and how would you adjust in the banking scenario?
So, sir,
Atmosphere and banking
what I learned from my pursuing theater and learning, I also tried to learn foreign language, and so what I've gained from all these experiences is integrity and sincerity, which I believe will be banking as a institution is requires a lot of tenacity and integrity, which I think I have built over the years, and now I'm really want to make a bright career in banking. So I think these things that I pursued would help me.
Saurabh, have you heard about non-performing assets?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
So non-performing assets are declared when a particular asset defaults on the money that was lent to it, and at the gap of 90 days. So if after 90 days it's not able to repay the money with interest, it is called an NPA, and then it is given further targets. It is declared as special mentioned accounts, and then few other.
No, special mention account is before the account becomes NPA.
Yes.
It is not after the NPA. It is before the account becomes, because up to the 30 days delinquency, it is SMA 0.
Yes,
SMA means a special mention
accounts.
account.
0.
Then 1 between
Then 2,
30 to 60 days.
Yes.
Then SMA 2 between 61 to 90 days.
Yes,
and after 90 it becomes NPA.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. You have heard the IBC insolvency? What
Yes,
is that?
sir. So IBC code was so insolvency and bankruptcy code, and it was declared in 2016, and it helped in the formation of IBBI, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India, and which help. So once the asset, so it has fastened the process of declaring a particular asset as NPA, and once it is declared, the cases are sent to NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal, which then decide whether how to deal with this NPA. And
no, please don't confuse these two issues. IBC does not have any relation with the account, with a particular account being declared NPA or not. Even an account which is not NPA, which is a well-performing asset. Any financial writer or any operational writer or even the corporate himself can go to the NCLT. It is concerned only with the basic thing is insolvency. Insolvency means that you are not able to pay your debt. So supposing you have to pay salary to your staff,
okay.
and you do not pay, and there is a default. then that employee has a right to go to NCLT and get you declared insolvent.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So bank, that please do not confuse these
Yes,
two
sir.
issues.
Thank you.
So you have then how is SARFAESI? SARFAESI also is being discussed.
Yes, sir.
It came in 2002, and
Yes,
since then, a lot of changes. It has forms it has taken.
Yes,
So
sir.
can you tell us?
Sir, SARFAESI code, which was the full form, which has the full
SARFAESI is not code. SARFAESI is an act.
SARFAESI Act full form is securitization and securitization
Even if
reconstruction.
you give
No
the full
need.
form, no need of giving the full form. You can straight away.
So SARFAESI help. So once the particular asset is declared NPA, so one bank can sell its NPA or to the other bank, or it can be sent to ARC, so that these how to deal with the NPAs, how will the particular NPA will be dealt with, and it particular asset will be sold to other companies, or particular default. So it SARFAESI code. SARFAESI Act help in actually dissolving the NPA and
No, again, you know the basics, but you are confused with the details. SARFAESI is simply enforcing the secured asset. Means if a loan is taken, if there is a borrowing for which a particular asset has been mortgaged or charged, so the lender has a right to sell off, to take custody of that particular asset
Property,
and
asset,
sell it
collateral
to
security.
liquidate its outstanding. Supposing a housing loan has been taken for which a house has been mortgaged. So if the loan is not paid, the bank has a right to take over the house and sell it in the market and realize its use.
okay.
So
So
that is SARFAESI.
okay.
So
Thank you, sir.
be a little more clear about these issues.
Thank you so much,
So
sir.
don't confuse. What I suggest is, when you prepare a particular subject, kindly use a register or a paper. Note the points. Note the points, so that will put the information in concise form. Because you read one, then you read another, and then you mingle the two. So that is not,
Yes,
that is
sir.
confusing.
I get it.
So to keep them separate, you note down when you study, you prepare a brief notes on that. Just jot down the point, and when you revise that, please do not confuse one with the other. So that is
Sorry,
very
sir.
important.
Actually, it has not been his area, but still he is
No,
worked
but
hard.
he is doing well.
But
That
yes,
is why.
we are. I mean,
Yes,
just
sir. I understand,
Our
sir.
purpose is
clearing the concept,
to give you some tips, to handhold,
Yes, sir.
and to facilitate that you are able to perform better and to increase your chances of success. And especially, I feel that you have a very fair chances of succeeding. So
Thank you,
that
sir.
is why we
Yes,
want
yes,
to just invest this kind of.
Thank you, sir. For
So
I will
yeah.
consider that, and I will definitely improve.
right.
So your concepts are clear. You basically you have prepared well, and your expression is also very good, perhaps from coming from the theater background. So at the this is why I feel that little bit of
Yes, sir.
finishing.
Clarity and
You need
finishing.
finishing.
Polishing is required.
Polishing
Yes.
is required. Yeah.
So, have you gone through this budget or monetary policy?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So what you all know, tell in 1 minute.
Sir, as Prime Minister declared, this budget was a continuation of mini budgets. So budgets are declared by the Finance Minister of the country, where the Finance Ministers allocate different budgets to different sectors. And so, like this year, health sector saw a huge boost. So plus 137% from the last time, more budget has been allocated to health sector. Similarly, other sectors also are allotted different budget limits from the finance minister probably reads the whole budget in the parliament in front,
No need
front
to
of.
say all this.
That is
He
not
reads,
important.
or it is paperless, or it is digitization.
You can
No
say
need.
that he is presenting.
Straight away, you just explain the salient features. What are the salient features?
Sir,
Just focus
okay.
on all that.
And not the cosmetics.
Yeah.
So, sir, So budget, the salient features of budget are that it is how the government wants to navigate the country for the year. It is a roadmap for that whole.
I mean, what
The
are the salient
financial.
features? What is contents?
Okay, so sir, basically the
Like you said that 137% increase in the health outlay.
yes sir.
What are the other features?
Sir, some other features that were introduced in this budget were the government proposed the establishment of ARCs, asset reconstruction companies. Then it was also
ARCs are already existing.
okay.
So what is new about that?
I mean, again,
It
asset
was
reconstruction.
companies will be
Yes, it has been.
also two of the PSBs will be privatized. The names have not been disclosed yet, and also MSME was a prime focus this time also in this year budgets also, and because India is still struggling to get on track from the COVID pandemic, so special COVID package was announced to bring because still the vaccines
What has
are.
been done in education sector?
Sir, a new education policy was declared last year, so this time I'm not very much sure about how much allocation was given to the education sector, but I'm sorry sir, I'm not sure.
In education sector, they propose to construct 100 new Sainik schools,
Yes.
75 Eklavya, schools for the tribal areas.
Okay.
Okay. And a lot of, emphasis is being given to the education sector besides health. Health you have already, spoken of. And then Jal Jeevan Mission.
Yes sir. Jal
That is,
Jeevan Mission.
providing.
Har Ghar Har Jal was announced.
So under that also, in a big way, the proposal budget, that comes up with to accomplish this mission also. And similarly, you've already spoken with regard to the other aspects. So, I mean, these things you need to little be thorough on this also.
What you do is you note down few points. It will be the easiest thing and best thing. You note down 4, 5, 6 points, and then when you go there, you will be able to quickly
Give a good start. Good start. And then if even the interview board would not like to carry on budget only,
Yes sir.
they will just have an idea whether you know and how you present it. Main thing is how you present. Your knowledge part is already taken care of. You have cleared the mains. Now is this that you are aware. I mean, whether you have the potential to learn.
Yes sir.
Okay.
I got it.
And this is only the idea behind it.
Yes sir. Thank you
Okay.
sir.
And then monetary policy also you should go through, and just a few salient features you should
So monetary policy is a 6-member committee, and 3 are from RBI and 3 are
It's okay.
assigned by
When
government.
you ask for
What are this year's what are the salient points in the
From the monetary policy.
What are the changes which are being or lack of changes? So just about that. And then another suggestion, when you introduce yourself, you do introduce about your theater also, because people sitting in the interview board are also, they will want to talk something else about the subject they are talking. So somebody may ask you which is the favorite play. Any one play do you feel that it's my dream to perform this play?
Yes sir.
Which one?
Sir, 30वीं शताब्दी by Badal Sarkar ji. It has a great depth, and it also speaks to because the nuclear disarmament is still continuing, and still many countries are proliferating nuclear weapons. So that play was written back in 1960s, but it still speaks to 30वीं शताब्दी. But it still speaks to the present. We can still learn from that play.
who is your hero?
From sir, I have always been a very big fan of Irfan Khan sir, late Irfan Khan sir, and I like, my favorite hero is Robin Williams. He has also passed away, but he was a very prolific actor and a very serious as well a comic actor. So I
So you
love.
have interest in sports also?
I play, sir. I am fairly good at badminton, and but I have not played. But yes, I like badminton and I like basketball.
What about reading habit?
Sir, I love reading. It's one of my.
What all you love reading?
Sir, I read from philosophy and from classical literature, and I love reading plays. I love all kinds of books, Victorian era books. I read from like my favorite would be. So I love reading. My favorite writer is Somerset Maugham. So he's one of like.
So
What is the last book you read?
Sir, Brave New World by Aldous Huxley.
okay. So your background is IT,
No, sir. I completed engineering in electrical and electronics.
electrical electronics.
Then
Yes,
why
sir.
did you not choose to pursue career?
Sir, I was not so electrical and electronic. After my engineering, I wanted to have a more stable job in government sector, and that's why I started preparing for government exams.
But when you opted for engineering
Yes,
at
sir.
that point of time,
Yes, sir.
you must have plans, Otherwise, for government job,
Yes,
you
sir.
could have, studied something else.
Hmm.
Since you opted for going in for engineering,
Yes,
and that also electronic and communication, so at that point of time, you must
Electrical
have
and
planned something, no? Electrical and electronics.
Yes, sir.
So at that point of time, you must have planned, that I am going for engineering, so I will go in this direction. Otherwise, for government job, that
should
was
have
not
studied
required.
Sir, after 12th, it was the best incentive to pursue BTech. So,
So you think your decision was wrong?
So maybe
no, sir. Sir,
you can say
engineering.
that my father decided for me.
No, sir. After I cleared an exam, of IP entrance exam, and engineering was the best incentive after 12th for a science stream, because it not only that it engineering helps you in building a persona, and an engineer is usable everywhere. So that's why.
Whether you see, I mean, the best thing is nowadays, in banks, many of the, say, more than 50% the IT professionals are coming, or BTechs are coming, not
Yes,
IT
sir.
professionals. You can say even mechanical, civil,
Sir,
or
earlier you
these
used to
people are
say
coming.
that BA. BA has been substituted with BE.
B, yes, the graduation means B.
BE.
So, I mean, for that, you can say, कि भाई, I pursued this, okay, and then, I somehow my interests, they were into theaters and all, but I had the back of mind, कि I want to go in for a government job, and this banking was a flourishing one, and of late I created love
The
with
bank.
this thing, this
And
profession, and now I want to be in it.
and you can always say that banking is a career which provides opportunity for all kind of talents. Even engineers have a very good scope with the banking, because even if when you are an engineer, you can contribute by having that your project financing and other areas of lending. Being a technical person, being an engineer, I can understand the project much better than a person who has studied history or geography.
Yes, sir.
So, being from the engineering background, I am able to understand the nuances of a industrial project much better. So, engineering does not give me any kind of handicap. Rather, it strengthens my faculties and enables me to become a better banker.
So confidently you
Okay.
say this, confidently,
Because this
because
question
if
will
you
definitely
get
be asked.
embarrassed, I mean, sometimes the person gets embarrassed. Yeah, they how to fill the gap, what to answer,
Yes, sir.
So this is how you should
So,
answer.
use it to your strength, not to your weakness. Don't justify, I did this. Say that, yes, I did this. And doing my engineering, I realized that I could be a better banker.
Okay.
Okay, this is all. So anything you want to ask from us?
Sir, it's like when you ask specific questions regarding specific banking questions. So what kind of, like, should we not elaborate on those answers and only restrict ourselves to?
Restrict yourself to what is being asked. What is being asked, you be a patient listener, listen properly, then don't go haywire.
Okay.
So be specific. What is being asked, be specific. Don't give any background of that,
Okay.
Historically,
and that also. Come to
Okay.
the point straight
and
away.
another thing is, if some question is asked where you know lot more than though you are replying, then one of the very big very big tactic is that when you reply, you keep some opening in it.
Hmm.
You reply in such a manner that it causes another counter question, and when the rest of the information you give when the counter question comes. If you know about a particular subject and you reply in a follow-up question, the person sitting on the other side will feel that the depth of the knowledge of this person is much, much more. If I have vomited out everything I know about a particular thing in the first question, when the counter question comes, I have nothing to give. So whatever I have said in my first reply, so that will be of no consequences. So it will be much better than when you know particular area, you reply in such a way, keeping a small opening,
For
inviting a counter question, and when the counter question comes, the rest of the information I give at that stage.
okay, sir.
So once I give the information in the counter question, it is always going to create a much, much better impression on the person who is interviewing me. He will feel that the level of depth of this person is much, much greater. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
it's a trick. The best of the interviewees, what they do is they are able to lead the interviewer.
Hmm. Yes,
They are
sir.
able to lead the interviewer in
their
that
strength.
area. They will slowly and gradually nudge him and take him to their strong point.
Yes, sir.
And
I
once they
understand.
are there, they are very comfortable.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Anything else?
No, sir. I think only so a belt is needed with a formal dress. That's what was.
It is appropriate.
So, sir. Bas,
It is
thank you.
appropriate. You are presentable. You have got your hair cut properly.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello?
I mean, it's okay. I think that way. I mean, you have the
No, no,
confidence,
call
and the
करता हूँ.
communication is also okay.
I have just to build on my
Hello.
confidence
Confidence.
and
Yes,
my
and
presenting
and
skills.
whatever gaps with regard to the knowledge is
Yes,
concerned,
sir.
you work on that,
Yes.
and then you try to explain, but don't bluff. Be honest, and wherever you don't, don't know, say, "Sir, I'm not able
Sorry.
to recall it."
Okay.
Okay.
You are not supposed to, this is the banking is an area where you are not a banker. So you are not supposed to know everything. The basic purpose is to know your attitudes,
Approach.
your attitude, your conceptual capabilities, and your integrity of purpose. So that way, once you are there, they feel that yes, there is a person who can be groomed, who can be taught, who can learn. Fine. Technical skills or knowledge or inert facts that can be given at any stage. Only thing, you cannot give the person attitude. You cannot give the person the capacity to learn, the willingness to learn, and to be a team player. So that you have to depict
It's not the
by
knowledge
being
part only
honest,
that
by being
they are assessing you.
by being positive. So that you have to convey. If you don't know a thing, you can simply say, "Sir, sorry, I'm not aware about this," or
Okay.
"My knowledge is too sketchy in this. I have studied it, but I have not I don't have that information that I can respond to this." This will be much better than bluffing, because other person who is asking the question knows definitely that subject very well. If you bluff, he will immediately come to know, and that will rather
Be
ruin the
honest.
chances.
Be honest, but truthful. Okay.
Okay.
And,
And-
you have a, very fair chance of getting through.
Yeah.
Okay. Very fair chance.
Yes, yes, I feel. And then you convey also your interests, because everybody likes a fuller person. Everybody likes a person who has more interest, who has a broader aspect of the personality. That's much, much better.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All
Thank
the
you so
best.
much. Thank you so
Take
much.